Now, what is going on, guys? Today I wanted to share with you this tool here. It's called roadmap.sh, and it's really good in my opinion. So it's one of the most useful educational things I have seen because it provides you with a systematic and engineering driven approach for learning like web development, or for learning front-end development or back-end development or DevOps. And I think this is really good. So what I often see is that people, start out and they get to a respectable level in like a specific stack, and then they more or less like stagnate. So they are not systematically exploring like the whole domain, systematically learning like new things. So learning it and then building something with it. This is important, right? So don't just read about it. You need to build like a project. You need to use it. You need to make something with it. Otherwise you won't understand it. But this is what I see very often. People get to a respectable level. They, get comfortable with what they're doing, and then they kind of stop exploring the domain. And this tool here helps you to avoid that, because it gives you like a repeatable and systematic learning path you can follow for getting good at back-end development, front-end development, or whatever you want to know. And I just wanted to share that with you. So in case you're looking for inspiration, what you could do, just go to this website and just go through these topics and check out what you know and what you don't know. And then just pick the thing that you find interesting. So for example, we did a lot of like JavaScript and Node here on this channel. We talked about like Postgres. We kind of didn't really talk about the underlying principles though, like ACID transactions, database normalization, because it's more like a theory or the underlying theory. But we did talk about a lot of, we talked a lot about authentication here. So we did basic authentication, we did token authentication, we did JSON web tokens. We also did cookie-based authentication. So on that side, we're pretty good. And so as you can see, we covered a few of these things, but there's so much more. And I would encourage you to go through this and just pick something that you're interested in, look into it, and then build something with it, ship something with it, put it on your GitHub, deploy it to some hosting service, whatever, and then just move on to the next. And if you do that for a longer period of time, you just cannot avoid that you get better. There's like no way you cannot get better if you do it like this. Let me know what your experience on that is. If you have a question, leave me a comment. If you have another question and you want to reach out on a different channel, just send me a tweet. My Twitter handle is @productioncoder. Let me know what you think about this tool. I think it's really good, but maybe you agree, maybe you don't agree. Let's just discuss it. Cool. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video, where we are probably going to do some more technical stuff.